Hey everyone, it's Laurel here, and I get to do my first official unboxing of the current Stamp of Approval Love is in the Air collection. There are still a few available, so I can finally show what's inside of the collection, and you can go over and buy it because there's still a few left. So I keep these boxes, this little Stamp of Approval, I keep these boxes in my Craft Room and store stuff in them. Now mine has already been dissected and used, but it comes, everything comes wrapped in cute little tissue paper. And let's get to the ink first because that was a huge, it was a mystery ink. It was all fun watching everybody try to guess what it is. But it's this beautiful pink ink. It's called Be Mine. I've used it quite a bit. Here's a kind of a color swatch of it. It's a beautiful, 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 almost bubblegum pink. So that comes in your collection. And then let's just get straight to the dies. These are absolutely fantastic. They float my boat. Let me show you a card. So it has the inverted scallops that actually die cut the shape, and then these two actually just leave the impression. So here's how it die cuts. That's not a good one. Let me show you another one where you can see. Here's how it die cuts the shape in those different sizes, and then here's the little dash lines if you can see it. And I adore this die set. I will be using this a lot. This is called the Layering Postage Stamp and Stitched Border Dies. Next, we have this cute little Happiness is Enclosed stamp set. I love it. This is, you can make cards with it, but also decorate an envelope with it. Let me show you what I made. I started off by using the heart and just creating a card, a little background, little rainbow card here. And then I created a matching envelope. This says Long Live Snail Mail, and I used the border stamp on both. And then I also added this image here on the back of the envelope. So this is so cute and very versatile and such fun. Definitely not a bill. Happiness is Enclosed, Long Live Snail Mail, handmade by, if you wanted to stamp this on the back of your card and maybe sign your name or something like that. Then you have this Sunburst Die here. This is fantastic. I actually haven't made anything yet with this die, but some of the creative team members have, and it's been fantastic. Love. Speaking of love, you get the Love You die. Let me show you what it looks like because it is not clear. Hold on, I have too many. Here we go. This is what it looks like. It's nice and scripty, and it's thick lines, so it's not hard to take your die, sometimes when you get intricate dies, they're hard to peel out of the die and they end up tearing. No problem with this one. Then we have the Bon Voyage Stamp Set. Let me show you. I actually already showed you one card using the message in the bottle, but it also has like a little suitcase. This little dashed swirly heart is so cute. I love it. It's just fantastic. And this actually does have a set of dies that coordinate with it that you can get as an add-on if you want. It doesn't come in the collection itself, but it is available in the shop right now if you wanted to get some coordinating dies. Then here is Love is in the Air. This little hot balloon stamp set is also so fun. Here's kind of an idea of one of the cards. I haven't even blogged these cards yet. So this balloon is actually made with the banner XOXO to go inside the middle, and there is again a coordinating die set that you can get as an add-on if you want. So you have the balloon die that will fit this together, as you can see here, and then you have the balloon die that will fit the small balloons and also the clouds. Fantastic. Fantastic. So again, there are some available dies you can get if you wanted. And last but certainly not least is this set. This is called The World Awaits, and I love it. Here's the continents. I love the bold fonts of this set and the borders and stuff. I made quite a few cards using this set here. And one more. This I haven't blogged yet either. So much fun, so much creativity in this collection. I can't even begin to tell you how much I love it. So Love is in the Air Stamp of Approval collection. They still have some left. So if this is something that interests you, don't wait too long because it sells out very quickly. And I'll put links below. And I was going to say something else. If you're not familiar with the Stamp of Approval collection, you can head over to my blog and search for that. But it's basically a collection that releases quarterly that has hand-picked and designed supplies that go into this collection that work well on their own or also incorporated into the products that you already have. These items will be available on an individual basis many months down the road. or you can get it as the collection now all together for a more inexpensive cost. So that's it. I just wanted to show you kind of everything that you get. Oh, and a couple of other add-ons that you can get in addition to the 2 dies I mentioned. You can also get the refill for the ink, and you can also get some new acrylic blocks in new sizes. Here's one of her acrylic blocks here. This is great for the sentiment stamps. She's also got a new size rectangle, and then she has the round block. This is the old style round block. She has added grid lines to it, which is coming in the mail. Actually, it'll be here tomorrow. So she also has some great acrylic blocks. These have the kind of indentation right here, making it very easy to hold your acrylic block. I used to have some that were super sharp on the edges and it hurt. So that's it. That's the collection. Run, grab it if you're interested, because they really do sell out fast. Thanks for joining me. I will see you next time.